Hi friends! This year summer season has started very early, right? Even kids are not able to bear this heat. So we have purchased a cooler for our kids' room, which is very much suitable for 10 by 10 room. So I like that cooler very much. All the features in it are very good. So I thought I'll share all the features with you so that if anyone want to buy for 10 by 10 room, they can buy it. So shall we start? This is the cooler we have purchased, Crompton Optimus Neo 27 Tower Cooler. This product highlights are prolonged cooling, everlast pump, mosquito net, motor with overload protection. It also have many other features. You can pause the video for some time and check them once. Here is the product manufacturing date and MRP. Next, the product detail specifications. This product comes with 1 year warranty. Its water storage capacity is 27 liters. Here is the product. This is the front view of the cooler, and this is the side view, and this is the back view. This is the top view. This is the fan speed knob. We have high, medium, low speeds in it. Here, high is given first. This is the pump plus swing knob. We have the options of only pump, pump plus swing, and only swing. Up and down airflow adjustments can be made here. They have to be done manually. And you can move it down totally to close the cooler slides to avoid dust entering inside the cooler. This is the water inlet door. We can fill the water by inserting pipe in it. This is the water level indicator, low to medium. You can fill even the water up to this level. Wheels are given separately. We have to fix it. Two wheels are given with special stopper options with which you can stop the movement of the cooler. Wire is of about 1 meter length. And this is the ice chamber where we can put the ice cubes and also the ice water for quick cooling of the room. This is the mosquito net to avoid mosquitoes entering inside the honeycomb. And this is the way we close the mosquito net. This is the overflow water outlet. Drain outlet is under the cooler. Just by opening that outlet, whole water can be removed from the cooler. Now, we will talk about the functioning. You can see the Boyer motor inside instead of fan, which is a special feature in the tower cooler. You can see the black colored strips which are moving left and right in auto swing mode. And also the Boyer is very far, so it's safe. And up and down airflow adjustments has to be done manually as discussed earlier. Knobs are very big and comfortable to rotate even for the children. So friends, finally I can say that this cooler is perfect for 10 by 10 room for good cooling purpose in a budget of 7K. And the water consumption is very less because of the good quality of the honeycomb here. And my advice is to open the windows while cooler is on because cooling will be very good when inflow and outflow is available.